take a look. Come here. Kuma. Kuma. Ven aquí. Vente. Ven por aquí. There's a house over there, right by the river. You see the was full of trash. But I knew there was a pond here. See? I knew it. Look at that. I knew there was a pond here. That's right. There's another smaller one right there. See? Swampy area. Then the river is on the other side. Kuma Hyang. Kuma. Ven aquí. You sure like to go off on your own, don't you? This is a pretty swampy. Look at the water. It's almost overflowing. And then I guess on the other side of this, my guess is, yeah, the river is just right there. Yeah, that's the place. So there's a pond here on the side.